Swap out the bulgur wheat for barley in this twist on traditional tabbouleh salad. I'm going to start by cooking my pot barley. If you're using pearl barley or hulled barley, make sure to follow the directions on the package. So I'm going to cook 2 cups of pot barley with 3 cups of liquid in an instant pot. I'm going to set it for 20 minutes. And then after the 20 minutes is done, I'm going to let it slow release for about 15 minutes and it should give me a nice texture perfect for the salad. Now let the barley cool while we prepare the rest of the ingredients for the tabbouleh salad. In a large bowl, combine white wine vinegar with olive oil, the zest of a medium orange, the juice from the same orange, about 2 tablespoons worth, and then I'm going to add some freshly cracked pepper and some salt. Whisk the ingredients together and then add in the cooled barley into the dressing. To that, I'm going to add some chopped red onion, cucumber, tomatoes, and lots of freshly chopped parsley. Stir all the ingredients together, and just like that, you've got a beautiful salad. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com, click on the icon to subscribe to our channel, and on the video for more recipes.